use the pen tool on complex and simple shapes. So we're going to use straight lines and curves. Make sure your pen tool is selected, which is quick key P. We're going to use a stroke of 4, and I'm going to go from point A, hold down the shift key and go to B, hold down the shift key again, go to C and D, keep holding the shift key down, go to E and hold the shift key. Now we're going to go to E and pull out your segment to the open circle between F and G, and then go to G and pull out till I get to H. Then I'm going to click onto the corner and then hold the shift key and then go to A, and notice that at the pen tool there's a circle now. That means my segment is now closed. So now we have this kind of half circle rectangle going on.